Hello everyone to the first video in Roblox Studio. Today you will learn how to start making games in Roblox, and how to set up Roblox Studio. First thing, open your Roblox account and in the top left corner you can see a button called Create. When you press that button you will be teleported to page with a button that says Start Creating. When you do that, you can download Roblox Studio, and then you can press on it to set it up. After you do that, you can go to the same page and press Start Creating. And you should see this page. If not, press the new button on the left. Now you can choose a baseplate. And a new project will be loaded. Now I will explain how to move your camera. First, to change the direction, you can hold the right-click button and move your mouse, but to move in different directions you can use the arrow keys. And here is another trick to move slowly to zoom on a certain detail. For example, you can hold Shift, and then move with the arrow keys. Now to add a part in your project you can go to the up and press on part. A new part will be spawned in the game. You can press F to teleport to it. You can select any object from the Explorer menu on the right, and when you press F you will be teleported to it. After creating more parts, to drag one of the parts one will select the select button and drag some parts. To test your game you can just hit the play button above, and you will be spawned on the spawner. And you can see the parts you made and step on them. If you want to move a certain part up, for example, you can select it and then press the move button, and you can move it in any axis you want. But if I hit the run, I can see the part falling. To stop the game you can click on the stop button. And to prevent the part from falling I can hit the anchor button and the part will freeze in its place. I can do that in more than one part to create something like a small obby. And now I can jump on them, and they will not move. I will press stop again to change stuff in my game. I can select with holding left click and dragging. And use the delete button to remove the extra parts. To change the size of the part one can click on the scale, and drag one of the dots. I will also use anchor so the part won't fall. I can select rotate to rotate the part. And if you press Ctrl D you can duplicate it. I will keep duplicating my part to make a start for my small obby. To change the color you can click on the color from the toolbar, and choose the color that you want. You can also change the material. From the properties menu in the right corner you can select the part and press on the material bar, and select the material you want. Now I can try my obby. I will now give you guys a small trick. I will make 3 planks, and one of them will be a fake one. I will select the middle one and drag down in the properties menu, until I find can collide. If I uncheck this box, I will be able to make this part not collidable, and players who step on it will fall. Finally, I will make a winner's area, and change its color. Now let's test the small obby. Oh, my planks fell, because I forgot to anchor them. Let me fix that real quick. Yeah, and that is how to start your dev journey in Roblox Studio. To publish your game, so your friends can also play your game, you can press on Game Settings, and save your game to Roblox. Don't forget after doing this to press on Game Settings again and choose in Privacy, Public so anyone can play it. And finally press File and press Publish to Roblox. To play the game you can press Create, here you will find your games, and then press View in Roblox, and here you have it guys, your first game.